Welcome this video. Video title is Enhancing Your Gardening. The benefit and technique of plant flower pots in the ground. Introducing gardening is not just about plants flower directly into the soil. It's also about creating and innovations. One such innovation technique gaining popularity among gardening enthusiasts is plants flower pot directly into the ground. This method not only add an aesthetic appear to your gardening but also often survey practical benefit. We will delve into the areas advantages of planting flower pot in the ground and explore some technique to do its effect. Benefit of planting flower pot in the ground. Enhance aesthetic appear. One of the primary reasons gardening other for planting flower pot in the ground is the aesthetic enhancement it's bring to the gardening by strategically place decoration pot among your flowering bed. You can add layout of various interior and elevate the overall look of your gardening. G. Just a posting of different pot size, shape, and color can creating a charm and demo landscape or style and flexibility. Plants flower pot in the ground often neglect or style and flexibility in the ground design. You can easy segment of proposed plant pot to expel with different layout out accommodate new plants. This flexibility allow you to add your planted to change season or personal preference without much help. Control groom environment. Flower pot provides a controlled environment of plants growing, allow you to trailer connected to such plants requirement by bring pots in the group. You can maintenance solved level most effect and proving adding pot often better during which be choosing from plants seasoning to waterlogging conditioner. Technique of plants flower pot in the ground. Choose the right location before buy your flower pot careful. Select the location busy of plants such as sunlight affect soil quality and next to other plants. Next, the area available sunlight of the surface plants you intend to growing and that the soil is well diffused in request water belongs. Select centered ability flower pot. Choose flower pot that complement your gardening aesthetic and accommodate the plants you are wash and growing. Other from pot make from during material such as request of fiberglass as then well withstand bees and outdoor construction. Bury the pots. Big hole in the property solved sent long and broad. Then the pot your interior to busy plants the pot in the hole then are level with the ground surface and sunlight blue to main interest are seamless appear backfilled the hold with solved pass growing the pot in place plants and main interest one of the pot are busy field theme with a high quality pot mix centrability from the plants you plan to growing plants you choose flower or abdomen according to air phase requirement talk care not to overcare the plants whether water they need plants pot thought and monitoring level to enhance connect conclusion. Plants flower pot in the ground is a simple yet effective way to enhance the beauty and functional of your gardening. By this technique, you can create various scientific display import plants health and minimize main interest effect. Whether you were seasoning, gardening, or just starting, incorporating busy flower pot into your landscape design is ways to elevate your gardening expel. So roll up your space, your favorite pot and get ready to transforming your gardening in a vibrant oasis to of color and charm.